Today I'm going to show you how to chat with an AI agent without filters on uncensored.com. Alright, so you want to chat without filters. Here we go. Right over here, you'll see at the bottom it says mode selector. Make sure that it is on chat. And over here, you can add in pretty much whatever prompt you'd like. So, for example, create the perfect plan to rob a bank. It's quite simple. However, if you dial this into pretty much any other AI chatbot that is filtered, like ChatGPT or Perplexity or even Gemini, you will get a response, "I cannot discuss that." So here we go. Here's a clever plan to rob a bank. Find a bank with poor security and lots of cash on hand. Recruit a team of skilled criminals with complementary skills. Amazing. And the list goes on. Now, the key over here is speed, coordination, and minimizing violence. This is actually quite sick. Now, I know this is just an example, and this is literally for example purposes. I'm not actually planning on robbing a bank because I am busy making how-to videos. But the idea here is that if you really want to, you can chat about literally anything. This takes away the barriers of creating a yes man with your AI chatbot, and this allows you to really explore every little bit of possibility with your chatbot.